Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, we will be answering a past board problem coming from ECE Boards April 2019, and this is from Integral Calculus. So the problem is, what is the average area of all circles with radii between 2 to 5 inches? So kapag narinig niyo yung average value, average area ng isang function, usually integral calculus po yung pinaka-ginagamit natin dyan. So, kailangan muna alam natin yung formula ng area ng circle in which that is area is equal to pi r squared. Napaka-basic naman yan, mga Lodi cakes. So, paano po ba, Sir IJ, kinukuha yung average value ng isang function? So, let us recall that the average value of a certain function is given by 1 over b minus a. Yung a and b natin, yung lower and upper bounds ng integral natin, that is from a to b, f of x dx. Since we are dealing with the area of the circle, so we will use pi r squared as our function. And we are integrating with respect to r. So yung magiging equation natin or yung solution natin will be 1 over yung upper bound natin for the radius is 5 minus 2 multiplied by the definite integral from 2 to 5 ng pi r squared dr. So this is now 1 over 3. Alam natin na ang integral ng pi r squared applying the power rule. So we have pi r cubed all over 3. That is from 2 to 5 in which we will apply the fundamental theorem of calculus. So ang gawin na lang mga Lodi cakes, ito alam ko pwede naman to sa calculator, pero pakita ko na rin. So ang gagawin lang dyan, replace r with 5 and then yung r with 2. And just subtract the 2 and simplify. If we will simplify this using our calculators, the correct answer is 13 pi square inches. So the correct answer is letter C. Napakadali lang, tandaan lang po yung formula sa average value ng isang function, 1 over b minus a, multiplied by the definite integral of f of x dx from a to b. And I hope mga Lodi Geeks, marami pa kayong matutunan sa mga tutorials natin, math and engineering related, and maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. Keep safe mga Lodi Cakes, bye-bye and God bless.